I heard that there was some flooding going on, but I don't believe it was flooding, Hippie. I don't believe it was flooding, baloney. Huh? What the? There's a little leak. Wait, my apartment is right next to the boiler room where it was scratched. A door holds in. Oh no! Gotta get out of here! Oh wow! Help! Mine is sinking! My apartment! Help!